the video. In today's video, we are going to focus on how to install WordPress on either your domain name or subdomain. So with me here, I have a subdomain called test.dtechnologies, and I also have a hosting service, and my domain name is already connected to this hosting service. So we are going to see the few steps on how to install WordPress on this subdomain. We are going to use the easiest of all methods, and that is by use of a script that will help us set up WordPress. So as we know, WordPress is a popular CMS that has been used to set up many websites that exist at the moment. So let us see how to get it done. So one, you can search for WordPress from this field. Either search for WordPress Manager by Softaculous, or you can also search for Softaculous, and there are some options that will lead you to the same dashboard. Alternatively, scroll down to the software group and click on WordPress Manager by Softaculous. So this opens the Softaculous dashboard under WordPress. Basically, we have quite a number of scripts here that you can use, but for this case, we are going to use the script that will help us set up WordPress. So in this dashboard, click on Install. The next dashboard that opens up, we need to do a few setups. One of them is to confirm that the protocol here is HTTPS, and I would recommend using HTTPS without the www, but any of them will work. I would, in my case, I would prefer the one with. Then in this other section, choose domain name. I'm going to select either the domain or the subdomain on which I want to install WordPress. So in my case, I want to go with the test. I have the test. Then in this other section, in directory. So this one, if I go with WP, then WordPress will be installed in this subfolder. And when accessing my website, I'll have to be putting WP, and I trust that is not what we want. So ensure to remove WP in that section and leave it as blank. Then in this other section, we are supposed to select the version that you want to install. So in my case, I would prefer the latest version. In your case, if you prefer a later version, then select the version here. Then scroll down. Another important section is the admin account. So basically, if you continue and install your WordPress with the default settings, any other person can easily access your admin dashboard using these credentials. So it's recommended that ensure to change the password. You may leave the username as admin, but then for the password, ensure to set a strong password. We are going to do that right now. I trust that is strong enough at the moment. Then you can also set up the admin email. Then leave the rest as they are. They can be changed later when customizing your website. Then scroll down, down, and click on install. So usually takes within a minute, everything should be set up. Let's give it time and see. And within 2 minutes, WordPress has been installed. So we navigate to our subdomain or the domain and check, and that is it. We have successfully installed WordPress. So now the next thing will be accessing the admin dashboard and doing the necessary customization. So for the scope of this video, let me show you how to access the admin dashboard. We have so what we do, we just have to add WP admin, click on enter. Then this opens the admin dashboard login form. So input your credentials. And there we go, we have successfully logged into the admin dashboard. The other way of accessing your admin dashboard is through the Softaculous dashboard. So let us see how to do that. So in this section you can check for your subdomain or domain and click on login. So this one doesn't require you to input your username or password, so it will bring you to this dashboard. So I think that marks the end of this video. If you don't have access to a cpanel like we did here, that is so that you can make use of the Softaculous script. We will do another video on which you can do it the manual way. Check out the link to the video in the description below. Thank you, and ensure to share this video with others. Please share and also comment so that we can know if you encountered a challenge or if the video was helpful. Thank you for tuning in and have a great day.